Welcome back to our cooking channel, folks. Today, we have a mouth-watering treat in store for you. We'll be exploring the delightful world of omurice, a beloved Japanese dish that combines the goodness of fried rice with a fluffy omelet topping. But wait, there's more. We'll also dive into some fascinating unknown facts about omurice that will surely surprise you. So, let's get started. Omurice is a classic Japanese comfort food that originated in the early 1900s. It quickly became popular among the Japanese, and its fame has spread around the world ever since. But did you know that omurice has a unique origin story? Legend has it that a young chef in Tokyo accidentally combined Western-style scrambled eggs with Japanese fried rice, creating the delightful fusion dish we now know as omurice. Fascinating, isn't it? Now, let's move on to our next unknown fact. Omurice traditionally includes various fillings, such as chicken, beef, or vegetables. But did you know that the sauce used in omurice is what gives it that irresistible flavor? This sauce is known as ketchup rice sauce, or demi-glace sauce. It's a combination of ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, and other seasonings, creating a sweet and savory taste that perfectly complements the fried rice. Now, let's move on to the most iconic part of omurice, the fluffy omelet topping. You might be wondering, how do they achieve that perfectly cooked, delicate omelet? The secret lies in the technique. The eggs are beaten until they become frothy, ensuring a light and airy texture. The omelet is then carefully folded over the fried rice, creating a beautiful presentation. And there you have it, a delicious plate of omurice ready to be enjoyed. But before we wrap up, here's one final unknown fact. In Japan, omurice is not only enjoyed in restaurants or homemade. It's also a popular dish for food delivery services, allowing people to enjoy this delightful treat from the comfort of their homes. That wraps up our exploration of omurice and the surprising unknown facts behind this beloved dish. Give it a try at home or order it from your favorite Japanese restaurant. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our tasty recipes and intriguing food facts. Until next time, happy cooking!